Whoo! How heavy is it? Is it really heavy?
It's kind of heavy.
Yeah? It is November 10th. About noon. And Salman got his Xbox. And he's going crazy. It's like, let me tell you, this guy took the week off so that he could experience the Xbox. The fun thing is that we're gonna try doing an unboxing situation. I want to see all the reactions. I'm waiting for my PS5. So, context, I got mine from Walmart and they're trying to figure out pickups. Now, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to pick mine up. 12th is the release. And so, hopefully I can get it on the 12th. That would be epic. But if not, then go Xbox, right? Alright, well, we're heading down to the basement to try and figure out this unboxing. This idiot, I told him to wait for me so that I could record. But no, he wants to do it all on his own.
Eventually.
When your husband literally buys you a truck so he can play Xbox all day. It's true, right?
I don't know. I'm not trying to get into this between you and him, man. I'm not married to you guys.
It's true, right?
You took the week off because the Xbox.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Wednesday is Remembrance Day.
That's a
and
lie.
I have a day off from work. I didn't want to go to work for 2 days and have a day off and then 2 days again. So I took the whole week off.
I don't believe it for a second.
Got 9 days to take for the rest of the year. So I had to burn 4 days. So
you're like, when the Xbox comes, I'm going to tell my wife that I'm actually going to hang out with you the whole week. But really, we know you're being extra nice. So you could play this. We all know the games. We know. Strategic. Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's kind of a big one. A big one. A big one.
That's what she said. Turn it around. Turn it around. Ho, ho, ho. Stop it. Stop it.
Is there going to be a new Halo?
Yep.
Is there going to be multiplayer split screen?
Yep.
Random
And it's
Momo
coming,
appearance. We don't even care about him, but he's here.
It got delayed.
Oh. Here we go.
1 hour later.
Here we go.
2 hours later.
It's gonna just keep sealing itself.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh, stop the game.
That's actually such a big box, though. They could have gone with smaller packaging. Are you a fan of the design?
Yeah, I really like the design. It's actually really a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
That's what she said.
It's cool.
It's really nice. It's tiny. It's actually really small.
That's what she said. Okay, did it come with anything else? Hurry up and set it up. What are you doing? What are you waiting on?
It's not even like that.
Wow.
It's a nice, it's a clean
No,
finish.
I don't like that finish. It looks cheap. It looks like plastic.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, that little flap. Who would have thought?
There's a power cable, HDMI.
Is that Xbox One?
Yeah, but they've made it like. No, this got nice grips on everything.
Feels very... Okay, never mind. It's not. It's pretty much the same cheapness as the Xbox One.
Guy.
This guy's such a loser.
The D-pad feels different.
The D-pad feels different. Hater. So here's the controller. As we can see in the flesh. Feels really nice in the hands, except I just feel like, you know, the thumbsticks are a little bit too far. Maybe it's my hands are bigger. Triggers are really cool. Really nice grip. I like the finish on like the handles, like over here. Really, really nice. So triggers feel pretty good and pretty quick and responsive. The buttons are great. The D-pad's very plasticky, but you can feel like how, you know, in Mortal Kombat or fighting games, it'll be useful having the click, in my opinion. But yeah, let's go.
smaller than expected.
That's what she said.
I thought it was going to be huge.
That's what she said.
It's a little bit heavy, but I mean, all in all, it looks the part, and the amount they probably packed into this one thing. I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like when it's up and running.
You should know.
If you watch the there's a video for this online. It's I can't remember the blogger's name, but he actually unpacked it all, and the way they built this machine is probably
Okay, anyway, set it
optimized.
up. Start it.
Crazy. Yeah, let me get this up and running.
Does yours still have a disk drive?
Yep.
What do you mean? Listen, this Xbox was pricey. Your phone is pricey. We're not getting a new TV. I'm not getting. You're not getting me a new fridge. You think that you're gonna get a new TV?
You thought, Salman.
I would sell this TV before buying a new one.
Yeah, so I said I'll sell that fridge before I buy the new fridge.
Your parents bought that fridge. I bought the TV. There's a difference.
I'm not commenting on this, guys. So because of the TV in particular, even though this is a really good TV, unfortunately it doesn't support 4K 120. The max it could do is 4K 60. Was Xbox One S 4K 60?
No.
No. But yeah, it looks really silky smooth, which is like insane to me. It's actually hurting my eyes. Does this make him a better player? Definitely not. But we'll see. So now that we finally got a chance to try out the Xbox, there's a lot of great things to talk about. Now, first of all, the setup was so seamless in the fact that everything was done on this app. There was this little barcode that you can pretty much take a picture of, and it takes you right to where you need to go and uploads everything onto your Xbox from your previous Xbox's hard drive. Now, through the cloud, I presume. So now, when we talk about the actual controllers, fantastic. They're very sleek, a little smaller than I would like, but the triggers is what I really, really appreciate about this particular controller, and they will definitely help you out, especially if you were big on first-person shooters, and it just feels really premium. Now, moving on to the actual gameplay. So, in terms of gameplay, you know, we've only been able to play Warzone, so we only know that from, you know, we can only comment on that perspective. The details, especially on the high texture package, is fantastic. It's so beautiful to play, especially with how smooth everything is. We're playing at 4K 60 frames per second. You know, we could even try to push it up to 120 frames per second, but the problem is we do not have a TV that is compatible with that. So, you know, if you're looking for that super smooth silkiness, you know, you might want to invest in a TV for a few generations to come. Apart from that, you know, 60 frames per second looks fantastic, like silky smooth, and it is such a big difference from the previous console. You know, I honestly cannot say how much more fun Warzone has been as a result of using it on this system. Now, moving forward, we talk about speeds. Now, speeds generally depend on how great your internet connection is and how quickly the upload speeds are, because you know, our household unfortunately has been capped at about 50 megabits per second. Now, mind you, when we actually upload things onto or download things onto our Xbox, the old one used to go at 2 to 5 megabits per second, super slow. It was super frustrating to have big updates. This one goes easily 125 to 150 and then back down to 50. It just averages out around 100 to 125, which was great. So it was a lot faster than the other consoles. Of course, that's what you want. Apart from that, it's just been such a pleasure playing on this console. I don't have anything bad to say about it yet, and we will let you know what we think going forward. Let us know what you got, an Xbox or a PS5, in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share if you really loved it. A lot more content coming in for you guys. I got my PS5 video, which I'm really excited to show you guys as well. That was a pretty much miracle in itself. And we're having a giveaway. If you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment how many times Michael Scott said "that's what she said" in this video, you will be given the chance to win a $10 Starbucks card. Okay? Christmas drinks are upon us. Ladies and gentlemen, I got your back. Until then, that guy always, we'll see you next week.